Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss now the Science 10, Term 1, Week 4. This is Day 3, Gas Formation and Conservation of Mass in a Closed System. Objectives: explain why the production of gas during a chemical reaction does not violate the law of conservation of mass. Perform and document a closed system investigation using baking soda, vinegar, a bottle, and a balloon. And demonstrate responsibility by following safety procedures and recording observations truthfully. For motivational activity, reaction detective, which evidence do you see? So, the materials, the teacher prepares picture cards or projected images showing a tablet fizzing in water, ayan, an ice cube melting, a candle burning, juice being poured into a glass, a sliced apple turning brown, soft drinks bubbling after opening. So direction, observe each picture shown. Raise a card or hand signal corresponding to the observation. For example, B for bubbling or gas formation, C for color change, T for temperature or heat change, N for no clear evidence of a chemical reaction. Listen to the explanation after each answer. Remember, a visible sign suggests that a chemical reaction may have occurred, but careful evidence is still needed. Okay, the inflating emergency drink pack. During a school camping orientation, a student places an effervescent vitamin tablet and water inside a tightly sealed transparent pouch for a science demonstration. After the tablet touches the water, bubbles appear and the pouch begins to expand. Before the reaction, the sealed pouch has a mass of 64.2 grams. After the bubbling stops, the pouch remains sealed and has a measured mass of 64.1 gram. A learner asked, the pouch became bigger because gas formed. Does that mean new mass was created? What evidence suggests that a reaction occurred inside the pouch? Okay, bubbles formed and the pouch expanded, indicating gas production. Why did the pouch expand? The pouch expanded because gas was formed and trapped inside it. What type of system is represented by the sealed pouch? Okay, the sealed pouch represents a closed system. Is the difference between 64.2 gram and 64.1 gram enough to conclude that mass was destroyed or no, the small difference may result from measurement error or sometimes scale sensitivity or handling of the setup. In an ideal closed system, the mass remains the same. So malamang may may kunting singaw o kaya naman sa pag-record baka doon sa sensitivity nga nung scale nung ginamit na beam balance. So how does this situation relate to the law of conservation of mass? Okay, the gas is part of the products and remains inside the sealed pouch. Therefore, the total mass before and after the reaction should remain equal or nearly equal when measured. Okay, signs of a chemical reaction. A chemical reaction may be indicated by one or more observable changes. Number one sign or indicator, bubbling of gas formation or bubbling or gas formation. Example, baking soda reacting with vinegar. Another one, color change, iron developing rust, nagiging siyang reddish brown. Temperature change, yun, heat released during burning. Odor change, new odor produced during decomposition. Formation of a solid precipitate. A solid forms when two solutions are mixed. Baking soda and vinegar reaction. When baking soda and vinegar are mixed, a chemical reaction occurs. The word equation for that, baking soda reacts with vinegar resulting to sodium acetate, water, and carbon dioxide. If we are going to convert that to equation, ito po siya, yung baking soda, that is sodium carbonate, or reacted with vinegar. Ito yung result, sodium acetate, water, and carbon dioxide. The bubbles produced are caused by carbon dioxide gas. So, why a balloon inflates? When the carbon dioxide gas produced by the reaction enters a attached balloon, the gas particles spread out and occupy space. As a result, the balloon inflates. The inflated balloon does not show that matter was created. Instead, it shows that some atoms from the reactants became part of a gaseous products. Comparing open and closed systems. Okay, reaction in an open cup, what happens to the gas? The carbon dioxide escapes into the surroundings. So, yung mga water vapor, hindi lang carbon dioxide. Pwede kasing kasama yung water vapor, yung tubig. Expected mass observation, measured mass may appear lower after the reaction kasi nga may nakawalang gases. Okay, reaction in a sealed bottle with balloon. Carbon dioxide is trapped in the balloon. Mass before and after should remain nearly the same. Hindi man eksaktong the same. Experimental error in terms of the measurement, yung sensitivity of the gadget, ng maliit na differences. Why measurements may slightly differ? Ito. In actual classroom investigations, the mass before and after a reaction may differ by a very small amount because of, number one, air escaping from a loose balloon. Pwede may nakatakas pa rin. Spills during setup. Yun. Inaccurate measurement. Movement of the scale. Ayun, kagaya ng ng beam balance. Kapag nahanginan yan, gumagalaw-galaw. So, minsan nagkakaroon ng difference. So, limited precision of the weighing scale. A small difference does not immediately disprove the law of conservation of mass. Instead, it encourages careful investigation of the experimental setup. Yun, isa pa yun, moisture on container. Siyempre kung malamig, mag-absorb siya ng moisture. Okay, let us have this individual worksheet activity. Capture the gas closed system evidence report. Okay, safety reminder. Handle vinegar carefully and avoid contact with ice. Do not taste any material. Keep the balloon securely attached to the bottle. Wipe spills immediately. Follow instructions before mixing substances. Okay, materials per learner or demonstration station. 1 small plastic bottle, balloon, tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 digital weighing scale, 1 funnel or folded paper, activity sheet and tissue or clean cloth. Okay, for part A, prediction. So, kumbaga magkakaroon kayo dito ng hypothesis. Before beginning the investigation, complete the prediction. Or this is the hypothesis or your wise guess. Prediction, after baking soda and vinegar react inside a closed setup, the mass of the entire setup will become what? Will decrease? Will increase? Because of what? Or still the same? Ano yung magiging prediction nyo? And then part B, preparing the closed system. So pour 1 tablespoon of vinegar into the plastic bottle. Using a funnel or folded paper, carefully place a teaspoon of baking soda inside the deflated balloon. Attach the opening of the balloon to the mouth of the bottle without allowing the baking soda to fall into the vinegar yet. Check that the balloon is securely attached and that no material spills. Yan. Part C, measuring before the reaction. Place the complete setup on the digital weighing scale. Record the initial mass in the table below. Ilan yung mass niya before the reaction. And then, lift the balloon so that the baking soda falls into the vinegar. Observe the setup carefully for 1 to 2 minutes. Do not remove the balloon. Ano yan? Record at least 3 observations. Ano yung mga naobserbahan nyo? And then measuring after. Ito na yung after. Once bubbling was almost stopped, kapag tumigil na yung reaction, place the entire setup back on the weighing scale. Record the final mass. Yan, mass after the reaction. Okay, data interpretation, complete the statements. The balloon changed because blank. The gas produced in the reaction was blank. Ano yung product? The difference between the initial and the final mass is blank. So, kung magkaroon man yan ng difference dun sa is maybe napakaliit lang. Pero, kung talagang closed system yon, that should be zero. Zero difference. So, the system is considered closed because blank. The investigation demonstrate the law of conservation of mass because mga pwedeng maging sagot. Dun sa balloon change, it inflates or expands because gas is produced. Doon naman sa gas production, anong na-produce? That is carbon dioxide. The type of system, that is closed system. The expected mass relationship, the mass before reaction is approximately equal or should be equal to mass after reaction. The explanation, the gas remains trapped inside the balloon, so the total mass of the system is conserved. Kompletuhin nyo po ito. A gas forming reaction does not break the law of conservation of mass because, so the most important reason for using a balloon in the investigation, bakit balloon? Say, one way to improve the accuracy of the experiment. Kasi nga nagkakaroon ng